For homework 8, I made a roulette wheel that uses port C, and that's where the lights will increment. On RA1, it outputs a 220 hertz square wave, and that's what gives the buzz for every time it increments. And to start it, you just hold down RB0 for as long as you want. Then you can let it go, and it'll start beeping, and you can see that it takes a little bit longer to go from each light, and then it stops. So the way this works is that I use timer 2 to have the time between the switching or the incrementation on port C, and then I use timer 0 for the 220 hertz square wave on RC or RA1. And then to make sure that it's random, the way it works is that while I hold down RB0, there's a number that increments between basically 1 and 8. And since it's going so quickly, you can't really control what it is, so it makes it random. And then when you let it go, it takes that number, and it adds that. I believe I have it set to 32 ticks plus how long this is held down, and that gives you your number. I used for the speaker, instead of using a transistor, I just used a 220 ohm resistor, and that'll limit the current. It didn't need to be so loud, so I thought this was sufficient. And that is my project.